So the daytime running light of my GLC, the one on the right, which is that one there, appears to be darker than the one on the left. So I'm gonna replace the driver and see if that helps it. Okay, so the driver is behind the headlight, and I checked up this side of the car to give me room. So it's just under here. It's just under this panel here. So I'm just gonna remove it just by turning this plastic thing. And that's it there. We'll take that out. So this is it here, that's the driver. So I'm just gonna get a screwdriver to undo it. There's one. So this is a T20 screw to undo. So one at the bottom and one up here and one over there that I have to undo. Okay, so I've got these 3 screws undone, and now I'll just remove it. That's it there. So I'll just disconnect this and put in a new one. So this will just be a squeeze and pull out. I can't do it with one hand. Okay, so this is the original, and this is the aftermarket that I'm gonna replace it with. So it looks like this is actually the LED light that shines to make the daytime lighting right. So I guess that's a bit dim now for the white color. Okay, so I've replaced the LED driver. Now both sides looks the same.